Alright, let's see this match. A not ranked player versus not ranked player. Okay, so they are both. So they don't say. So they both don't have a rank. So yeah, and by the way, Crazy Tiger Lover, he's not my friend. He just wanted to join the video. So yeah, start. Crazy Tiger Lover is getting M's, while Liam is still trying to understand the diamond thing. So yeah. And now they both got armor. But he got stone sword, and I don't know about Liam over here. So yeah. Whoever wins gets to 1v1. So yeah. Okay, Liam over here doing some random things. He has no luck. Teleporting back home. And while this guy over here got iron armor. Alright, let's cut this part. So we're gonna stop cutting it. Here we go. They are fighting, and Liam is losing over here. And wow. Liam is still willing to fight, but he got diamond armor. And with the telepearl. And he got the bed planting, and it's bye-bye. And he says oh, never mind. Alright, both of them got diamond armor, right? Ini taboo and a big ball. Okay, I'm just singing for fun, right? Alright, let's go, boys. Liam having a bad time over here. Liam with the bed break. W. Liam got low very fast. Alright. Yo! Alright, restarting match. I'm not ready for this. Man. Bro didn't let, I think he didn't let him win. He just don't want to admit he lost, or he actually let him win. I don't know. Bro. Guys, why is that thing even a thing? What? Let's just end this match quick. I'm not even gonna get anything. Man. Last time. Build to me. Build to me. Build to me. Build to me. Alright, me and Liam are 1v1ing because Liam beated that crazy tiger lover guy. Ratatouille. Hello. I'm getting no things. Don't fight me because I'm gonna give you irons. If you kill me, I kill you. Thank you for sunshine. There's a lot of iron side. The thing I like about season 11 is, yeah, you get free, you can get free enchantment tables, so yeah. I'm just gonna put the games because I'm not gonna end this match early. Yeah, go. I'm gonna get the other teams diamonds. It's the diamond set. Oh, come on. It's mine, bro. Mine. Diamonds. Nice. I'm reaching the hood. Listen. Slow. Level 13 for fun. You know? I thought he wouldn't notice that, but I guess. But I got diamond armor now, so yeah. Damn, dancing all of the time. 10. I am about to end this. Yo, I just suffocated myself for no absolute reason. like I'm getting used to use, you know. I used to don't use. I used to. And this star, I'm waiting in the sky. GG. Yeah, I've been late 'cause I'm a singer. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and peace.